In this video, we'll walk you through how to fix an iPhone front camera that's not working. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially when the camera won't work properly. It could be happening within the camera app itself, or it might be an issue in another app. Let's explore some solutions. If the issue is occurring in the camera app, perhaps the front camera is black or unresponsive, start by swiping up on the app to fully close it. Once it's closed, reopen the app and check if that resolves the issue. You can also try this with other apps that use the camera close and reopen them to see if that helps. If that doesn't fix it and the problem is occurring in a different app, make sure the app has permission to use the camera. To do this, go into your settings, scroll down, and select Privacy and Security. From there, tap on Camera and ensure the app has camera access enabled. This applies to both the front and back cameras. If the camera permissions are already set correctly and it's still not working, try performing a force restart to refresh everything. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side power button. Keep holding it until the screen goes black, then release it once you see the Apple logo. Wait for your phone to reboot, and hopefully, the issue will be resolved.